Hey ma'am, I'm Justin D. Garcia from BSIT2. In this video, ano sana statement himuan niya naton in symbolic form and also together han iya truth value. The first statement. If the database is backed up and the server is stable and the system will run smoothly. And otherwise, it will crash. So, bago natin makuha iya symbolic form, kailangan natin i-assign ang iya mga statement into symbols. So, P represents the database. The database is backed up. The database is backed up and Q represents the server is stable. Stable. And R represents the system will run smoothly. So nakuha natin ini na symbol. So next himuan niya natin an statement into a symbol into symbolic form. Excuse me. Symbolic form. Maghimo kita in close and open parenthesis. So P represents the database is backed up and naggamit man hiyan and so magamit kita han end na symbol. And Q represents the server is stable. Ngan mag-draw kita han single arrowhead implies to R. So this is the symbolic form of number 1. And yan na, maghimo kitahan aton truth table. So P Q R 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 So given naman ini nga P, Q, and R. Nan isusunod ta ading ha. Iyan. P and Q. Yan and P and Q close parenthesis implies to R. Saan ko naman ang P is true, 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 false, 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 false. And ko naman ang Q is T, T, F, F, T, 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 F, F. And value naman ng R, the system will run smoothly, is T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. And ato naman nagsasolve yan na is hindi kita ma-focus sa P and Q. So, true, truth is true. True, truth is true. True, false, false. True, false, false. False, true, F. False, true, F. False, false, F. And false, false, F. Yan, in naman, di naman kita ma-focus ha. Third row and fourth row. T, T, S, T. False, true, false. True, false, true. False, false, true. True, false, true. False, false, true. True, false, true. False, false, true. Amin niyan iya ang number 1 truth table. And mamove kita ha, number 2.